guys, so the video you're about to watch is me doing my daughter Faith's makeup. I kind of turned her into Harley Quinn, which wasn't the plan at the beginning of the video, but it's what ended up happening, which was fine because she loves Harley Quinn. In fact, our dog's name is Harley, after Harley Quinn, thanks to Faith. But this wasn't the video I had intended to post today. I was editing a different video and realized that there was a lot of music in it that I can't use. So I tossed it, but I will refilm that eventually and get it up because it was a really fun video. I think you guys will all enjoy it. But yeah. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah. I'm going to be making a lot of upgrades to this channel here in the near future. I cannot wait to get new equipment, and I look forward to seeing the progress that this channel will make once I get the new equipment. But in the meantime, subscribe to this channel, like this video, go back, watch some of my other videos, like them too, comment on them. But yeah, I guess that's all. So we're about to get started and I will see you later. Bye. Hey guys, so Harley, no. Look at her new puppy. So this video, Faith wants me to do her makeup and I'm not doing any crazy trying to be special fancy makeup because that's not my strong suit, so we're just gonna do regular makeup. Make her look all glammed up. It's gonna be fun. But this is Harley. She's 8, almost 9 weeks old, and we just got her the other day. She's a Siberian Husky. I love her. Alright, start Miss Faith off. Because I already primed her skin, which maybe didn't really need to with the BB cream. That's all I'm using on her skin is a BB cream. Set. Let me find her. Do your eyebrows real quick. This shade's probably going to be just a tad dark for you, but maybe not. It looks like it matches almost perfect. This is the e.l.f. Brow Lift Pencil. I think that's what it's called. It doesn't really say on it, it just says e.l.f. and Brow Pencil. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Do not squeeze them shut, just keep them closed, but move on your eye. Now keep your eye closed. I'll need that in a minute. Open. Close. Do a small contour of a face. Huh?
Feels good.
Is it going? I don't know how much of that has been missed, but we are now on highlighter, so we're finishing up. Put some right there. Put some right here. Put some over here. Right there. Put some more right there. And what color lips do you want, Faith? You want red? Okay. Use the Velvet Matte from Victoria's Secret in the shade, I think this is Desire. It does kind of look like Harley Quinn. I have an idea. Serenity, bring me another pump.
Carmen has a hammer.
She does, but you don't, so. But your makeup looks just like her. Yeah, red and blue. They might not be the right eyes, but we also didn't decide that you were Harley Quinn until I looked and seen what you looked like. All right.
This is your bat.
Now you have a bat. Alright, so she is now Harley Quinn, as you can see. So, that is all I have for you in this video. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!